Hello, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm gonna be talking about the best VPNs for torrenting online, and with that said, let's get started. So when you're planning to do torrenting online, you need to have a VPN because once you're caught downloading copyrighted content in any way, it can lead to hefty fines, and it's a very bad thing on your hands once you're caught. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find a very good VPN that allows unlimited torrenting, and that's what we're going to be covering in this very video. So the first thing we need to know is that when we are finding a VPN, we need to find a VPN that allows us to find servers in the countries that allow or that don't prosecute people for torrenting. These countries include Canada, Switzerland, Portugal, Brazil, and Spain. So while Canada is one of the Five Eyes, it doesn't necessarily mean that torrenting is illegal. So torrenting is highly legal in Canada if you do it the right way. So what do I mean by this? Very simple. You need to go out there and find a VPN that has a kill switch. That's the first thing you need to do, is you need to find a VPN that is outside of the Five Eyes or the 14 Eyes in general. So these are countries, by Five Eyes I mean these are countries that are bound to share your information. So this is something it's outside these 14 eyes in general, so you don't need to worry about. And with that said, let's start with the very first one. The first one is called Surfshark, and this is very good because it's located in the British Virgin Islands, which is one of the best places you can ever find a VPN. Surfshark is awesome, and the reason why I would recommend you to go ahead and try it out is because it enables you to browse privately. It hides your IP address, there are no DNS leaks, and you can go ahead and use this one for torrenting as well. Then the other good things about this is that it comes with a very good plan, and this is the $3 per month. If you're living in a different location, the pricing you may see may be different. It allows you to connect unlimited devices, unlimited torrenting, no logs policy. They don't store your data in any way, and it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. So this is a really good VPN, and I would highly recommend this for torrenting. And the other reason why you should really consider using Surfshark is because it is one of the faster VPNs for torrenting, right next to the number one that I'm gonna be talking about later on in this video. This VPN also comes with an antivirus that helps you scan your computer's PC, be it Mac or Windows, from any viruses and malware. You can get the app on both devices, that is PC and your Mac. You can also get the Surfshark app on Apple Store and Google Play Store as well. The other good thing about Surfshark is that it enables you to search online without being tracked. You get access to a good a variety of servers that you can connect to, that is servers in USA, servers in Australia, servers in Canada, and servers in all the top tier countries as well. So the good thing about Surfshark is that it's not among the Five Eyes. So Surfshark may be located in the British Virgin Islands, which is one of the safest places that are free from the nosy government agencies and policies that are looking to track you online. So this is a very good thing to know before you go on and use a VPN. So when you're torrenting, you need to find a VPN that is outside the Five Eyes or the 14 Eyes when you are looking to do such stuff online. So the other good things about Surfshark is that you can choose your pricing plan depending on your wallet, and it comes with a variety of operating features that work on Mac OS, Windows, Linux, iOS on both mobile devices, Chrome, Firefox, and Fire TV as well. So if you want to know more about the features, you can head over to the Visual website using the link in the description. Since it's VPN this month, you get a decent pricing using the links in the description down below. So before we move on to the next one, here some of the features that you should know is that you can connect it to unlimited devices. There's a whitelist that has a kill switch. So this kill switch means that if you are torrenting online and your Wi-Fi internet or the internet service provider has a downtime at that moment or shuts down abruptly, then it will automatically trigger the kill switch to avoid your IP address leaking to all these people who are looking to track you online. So it has a VPN which enables you to camouflage your location, appear and hide your IP address to a different location, encryption and secure protocols. This is something that is really good with the Surfshark, and the only downside with this is that it is costly. It costs a price rather than a free VPN. Free VPNs are good, but they're not effective for torrenting. And the very good side about this is that you can use this for unlimited torrenting without worrying about getting tracked. You can read through these features using the links in the description. They will compare this to other VPNs, NordVPN, CyberGhost, ExpressVPN, and others. Well, so the good thing about the next one that we're going to be talking about also allows torrenting, so be sure to stick around for that. Coming in at number one of our most recommended VPNs for torrenting is NordVPN. NordVPN is located in Panama, so you don't have to worry about being tracked by the countries or the nosy agencies that are located in the Five Eyes, that is Canada, UK, USA, Australia, New Zealand, plus the other three that add up to make a total of the 9 eyes, and all the other countries that are included in the 14 eyes. So you don't have to worry about that. This one is located out of Romania, and it doesn't include itself in such activity. So the good thing about NordVPN is that it comes with a decent pricing, which is better than all the other VPNs that I've used. Since it is VPN Awareness Month, you can get 3 months free. If you use the link in the description down below, you can get up to 72% off using that very link in the description. And official website, it will say save 69 you're planning, so that is $3.36 a month. So if you want to grab that, they will be on a 30-day money back deal if you want to test it out. This is a very good VPN. So the reason why I would recommend this is the fastest VPN you will ever find on the market. So if you want to see all the features, you can click the link in the description. Once again, is that if you want to get a secure internet, faster VPN, no logging activity, allows renting, privacy on all your devices, and it has over 5,200 plus servers in 60 countries, then NordVPN is the one for you. It is our top pick of the best VPNs for torrenting because of its ability to mask your IP address and double protection with a double VPN. So it has a double VPN, so meaning a hacker or anybody who's trying to access your IP address has to go through a firewall of 2 VPNs to get to you, and by the time they get to you, you will be 100% safe, which is even an impossibility. So the other good thing is that it blocks ads and malware visiting websites that show annoying ads or ads that are out of your pics or anything like that. They will not appear in your browser. It has browser extension you can enable. There are no DNS leaks and data leaks in any way except to use 24 customer support is one of them as well. So VPNs are good and they can help you access a variety of things, security online, and they can also help you access Netflix online as well. For those of you who are looking to stream on those Netflix in the countries, there's 100% optimized speed and convenience as well. You can go ahead and try NordVPN. So that is our top picks for the best VPNs for torrenting. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and we shall see you in the next video.